All right, let me give you my 24 hours impression of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, we're going to talk about my first initial impressions of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Now, right off the bat, big shout out to Google for sending these out for review. By these, I mean the Google Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. Hashtag gift from Google. With that being said, this device, first initial impression is fast. You just heard my Google Pixel Watch go out right there. It is super fast, super fluid. I haven't ran into any bugs right now. Everything's been pretty much good for the most part. The overheating issue that everybody's talking about, the only time my phone did really get really hot was at the initial setup process, where it was downloading and doing all the initial setup at once. And last night, actually, I was trying to send text messages, a picture text message to multiple recipients, and it was having a hard time sending the picture through messages, and I did notice the phone getting hot. I was using Wi-Fi and I tried getting off of Wi-Fi. I tried just using cellular data, and still the picture couldn't be sent. And I think for some reason it was getting hot because I was trying to send it, but it wasn't. Couple of restarts later and everything went through and it cooled off. But other than that, I haven't really had any issues with it overheating, besides those two instances. Other than that, the phone's been great. Battery life has been good. I did get about anywhere from 4 to 5 hours screen on time. Last night I was at home all day under Wi-Fi. I got more like 6 hours of screen on time. Everything has been good for the most part, but like I said, this is just my 24-hour impressions of the Google Pixel 7. The hardware wise, it's a more redefined Pixel 6 Pro. It just looks more elegant. Like a lot of people are saying, it looks like a piece of jewelry. The phone is good. It's running good. The display's fine. Everything is good right now. But again, this is just a 24-hour impressions. It can take a left turn somewhere and everything can just fall apart. But other than that, I'm really impressed with the Pixel 7 Pro. I did have like a little photo shoot that I did take my phone with me. I'm baptizing my godson here soon, and we had some pictures arrangements, and I just popped out my Pixel 7 Pro and started taking pictures. And I was very surprised with the quality of pictures the Pixel 7 Pro produces. I don't know if it's because of the new sensors or anything like that, but the images that I was getting from the Pixel 7 Pro were fantastic. They were simply amazing. I even showed the photographer and he was like, "What phone is that?" And you know me, I kind of give him the whole spiel of the Pixel because I'm a big Pixel fanboy, and he was very impressed. I got some action shots of him actually taking some pictures of my godson and was very impressed. But yeah, other than that, I haven't really had any issues with this, but you know, I'll keep you updated. I am going to Camp Pixel, so with that being said, by the time you're watching this, I'm over there, so I will be following up with a full week review of my experience with the Pixel 7 Pro, and then you'll get that when I come back. But for now, it's been great. If you guys have any questions regarding the Pixel 7 Pro, let me know down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.